Today's word is all about catching, holding, and oddly enough, renting. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the word TUTMAQ. TUTMAQ. TUTMAQ can mean to catch, to hold, to keep, or to rent. How? Let's take a look at phrases and then sentences. To rent an apartment, to hold a hand, or to keep a promise. Let's see how to say those in Azerbaijani. Mənzil TUTMAQ. Mənzil is an apartment. Mənzil TUTMAQ, rent an apartment. Əlini TUTMAQ. Əl is a hand, əlini, the hand. Someone's basically particular hand. Sözünü TUTMAQ. Söz is a word. Sözünü, in this case, some particular word or a promise to keep it. Now, let's use those in some sentences. First one. Bakıya köçməzdən əvvəl şəhərin mərkəzində həm iş yerinə, həm də metroya yaxın hər bir şəraiti olan rahat bir mənzil tutmaq istəyirəm. Good luck with that. Why? Let's see. Before moving to Baku, I want to rent a comfortable, fully equipped apartment in the city center that is close to both my workplace and the subway. Baku is Baku, capital. Bakıya, to Baku. Köçməzdən əvvəl. Did you know that where the word Baku comes from? That's because in Russian, they call it Baku. That's where it comes. Otherwise, the name of the city, poor city, is Bakı. Now, Bakıya köçməzdən əvvəl, before moving to Baku, şəhərin mərkəzində, şəhər is the city, mərkəz center. Şəhərin of the city, mərkəzində, at the center. Now, in the city center, technically. Həm iş yerinə, həm means both to my workplace, həm də, and both, metroya yaxın, close to subway, metro, subway, it's a loan word from Russian. Hər bir şəraiti olan, şərait is a conditions, hər bir, every, basically, fully equipped. Rahat, comfortable, bir mənzil tutmaq istəyirəm. I want to rent an apartment. So, what kind of apartment? Şəhərin mərkəzində, in the city center, həm iş yerinə, həm metroya yaxın, close to both my workplace and subway. Hər bir şəraiti olan, and fully equipped. That's why good luck. Now, next sentence. Yağışa baxmayaraq, o, sözünü tutmaq üçün vaxtında gəldi və iclası gecikdirmədi. To keep his or her promise, he or she arrived on time despite the rain and didn't delay the meeting. Why he, she, his, her? Because o can mean either. Hence, yağışa baxmayaraq. Yağış is rain. Baxmayaraq, despite. This word can be used with everything and everywhere. Baxmayaraq, it will always mean despite, even though. Okay? Yağışa baxmayaraq, despite the rain, o, he or she, sözünü tutmaq üçün, to keep his or her promise, vaxtında gəldi, arrived on time, vaxt, time, vaxtında, on time, gəldi, arrived, came, və iclası, iclas is the meeting, gecikdirmədi, didn't delay, gecikdirdi, did delay, gecikdirmədi, did not delay. All right, today's word was tutmaq. How else we can use it? That's how. Of course, I'll tutmaq the apartment right after I stop crying about how much the landlord is asking for. Now, to help you out in your learning journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to check it out, download and start using it right away, as Module 1 is for free, and it is the foundational module anyone learning Azerbaijani would want to have. I'm also giving away all the vocabulary words from all the modules there and future modules, of course. Feel free to check the app. Otherwise, I also have masterazerbaijani.com website built specifically for you, where I post every 10 days blogs on multiple topics, tips and tricks on grammar, historical, language, context. Feel free to check it out because I've been posting there since November 2025. If you are happy here, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers!